durable, reliable, kaya niya yung everyday life challenges nyo. Whatever is thrown your way, this smartphone can do so, and at a more accessible price point. So, we start, of course, number one with what you see at face value, design. So the Oppo A5 Pro comes in two colors. You have this very beautiful and chic flower pink and a very trendy mocha brown. So di ba yung mocha brown, yun ata yung color of the year is 2025. So, yan, two very nice colors for the Oppo A5 Pro. Very slim and very sleek, and if you notice when you hold it later on, madali siyang hawakan, doesn't slip as much, and of course it's very lightweight and easy to hold, easy to store in your pocket as well. Now, first check is design. It's very sleek, beautiful, and stylish. Second, durability. So we've been known to produce phones for the A series na will prove bakit hashtag Oppo lang sa kalab. Okay, so that's one of the hashtags, hashtag Oppo lang sa kalab. The Oppo A5 Pro now comes with IP69 dust and water protection. IP69, what does that mean? Ibig sabihin, kahit ilog-ilog mo siya sa tubig for up to 30 minutes underwater sa pool, or kahit ilog-ilog mo siya dito sa hot pot, kung mahulog siya by accident, kaya-kaya niya. If it gets wet under the rain, if you're using it with oily hands, greasy hands, that's totally fine. If maulanan, if it gets sprayed with pressurized water, it will survive and it will work. Alright? So, later you'll see how. But I encourage you to also try it for yourself. IP69 protection, dust and water protection. That is actually the best water protection out right now for this price point. Durable, IP69 dust and water protection. So from all angles, kahit nabasa siya at any angle, it will be fine. Number two, under durability is your military grade shock resistance. Now that's perfect kapag medyo clumsy kayo. Sino medyo clumsy dito with their phone? Meron bang mga butterfingers dito na nakatabig yung phone nila, it falls down very regularly? Now with certified military grade shock resistance, you're assured that your phone will still work even if you drop it from time to time. Like that. Like that. Alright? Alright, so military grade shock resistance. If your phone drops from a height of around 1.5 meters without a case, maybe it's around almost 7 feet, that's totally fine. Any higher, it will survive. It will still work, right? So that's your military grade shock resistance that we also have in our previous A-series smartphones, the Oppo A60 and the Oppo A3, which were all hot-selling phones. So ngayon, the Oppo A5 Pro 5G also has that. So ibig sabihin, if you have trouble with your signal, let's say your operator or network has trouble with connection, this has AI link boost to keep it connected to optimized network and Wi-Fi switching. Kaya kung medyo mahina signal nyo, it has AI link boost 2.0 that will help you stay connected all the time. What else? You also have a very large battery at 5,850 milliamp hours. So again, at this price point, sulit na sulit, napaka long lasting at maunat yung battery ng Oppo. And when you do charge it, it just takes a short while to fully charge. So if you're using it for content creation, if you're out commuting, if you're on the go, this is the smartphone for you at hindi na siya masakit sa bulsa. Alright? Again, 5,850 milliamp hours battery and 45 watts super boom fast charger. You can charge it from 0 to 100% in just over an hour. So mabilis siya mag-charge and mabilis rin siya maubos yung battery. Other important features of the Oppo A5 Pro, you have AI features like AI image smart mapping. So if you're someone, let's say, gusto mong gumawa ng thumbnail for your TikTok or YouTube video, with AI image smart mapping, you can create layer photos, create different artworks using AI and intelligently cut out photos. You can layer them and create images with that AI game boost. So, if you're someone who likes to play, playing games, mga phone games, online games, it does have settings here like AI game boost to boost your connection, to make sure that your experience with gaming is as fluid as possible. For other games like PUBG Mobile, for racing games, AI game boost will help optimize your experience para hindi siya mag-lag. You still get good connectivity and you can have your gaming without problem. First, for every smartphone, it's important to have good cameras. You have 50 megapixel clear cameras in the Oppo A5 Pro. So, walang problema if you're going to shoot your OOTDs, group shots, landscape shots, you get a good camera at this price point so that all around you have a smartphone here that is not just stylish, it's also very durable, malakas siya, like what I said, Oppo lang, saka lang, durable, reliable, and it can keep up with whatever you need on a day-to-day basis. So that's the Oppo A5.